Hello everyone, in today's topic, we are going to have manipulation of formulae. These are the terms to remember: formulae, equation, variable, eliminate, coefficient. Manipulation of formulae. An equation which gives a general rule for solving a particular type of problem is called a formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. It gives a general rule for finding the circumference C of a circle with a given radius r. C is the subject of the formula, and it is the variable that appears alone on one side of the formula. By the way, formulae is the plural term for formula. So supposing in this formula, we are going to solve for r. So we are going to divide both sides by 2 pi. From here, we are going to cancel 2 pi. So what's left is c over 2 pi is equal to r. Then we are going to interchange so that r is equal to c over 2 pi. Thus, we have manipulated the formula to change the subject from c to r. Let us transform the following formula as specified. So from t is equal to p plus I, we are going to make I the subject. From here, we are going to subtract p to both sides of the equation. And then we are going to have t minus p is equal to I. Then we are going to interchange. We will be getting 1 is equal to t minus p. Now, let us have another one. So v minus u is equal to at. So let us make v as the subject. So from here, we need to add u to both sides. So we get this one. And then we are going to simplify further. So in the left side of the equation, we are going to subtract u minus u. So what's left is v. So we get v is equal to at plus u. Since at plus u are unlike terms, we cannot add them. Now let us have F is equal to ma. By the way, this is a formula from your physics class. So let us make A the subject. So A stands for acceleration, if I remembered it right. So in here, we are going to divide both sides by m. So dividing both sides by m. Then we are going to cancel. Then what's left is F over m is equal to A. From here, we are going to interchange. So we will be getting A is equal to F over m. Now let us have another one. P is equal to K over V. In here, we are going to make K the subject. So let us multiply both sides by V. So instead of having the cross multiplication, sometimes we can use this one, multiplying both sides by the denominator. So from here, we can cancel V and V because it will be equal to 1. And then we will be getting Vp is equal to K, and we interchange, so K is equal to Vp. Now let us have B is equal to A plus C over D. So from here, we are going to make A the subject. So we are going to multiply both sides by A, and then we are going to cancel A on the right side of the equation. So A times B is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to AB. And then copy the remaining numerator from the right side of the equation, which is equal to A plus C. From here, we can subtract minus A. And then we will be having AB minus A is equal to C, because in the right side, we have A minus A, which is equal to 0. And from here, we can have A times B minus 1. So remember, when you factor out AB minus A, it is equal to A times B minus 1 is equal to C. And what term can be divided to both sides so that on the left side of the equation, what's left is A. Very good. So we have B minus 1. So dividing both sides by B minus 1. And here we can cancel and cancel. So what's left is A is equal to C over B minus 1. Given the formula V is equal to the square root of 2AS, we are going to express S in terms of A and V. And then we are going to find the value of S when A is equal to 10 and V is equal to 30. In doing this let us start with A. So copy the original formula and then we are going to square both sides of the equation and we will be getting V squared is equal to 2A. From here, we are going to divide both sides by 2A. So cancel and cancel. So we get V squared over 2A is equal to S. To answer letter B, we will gonna interchange the formula. So it will be equal to S is equal to V squared over 2A. Then we are going to substitute the values, or we are going to put A is equal to 10 and V is equal to 30. In doing this we are going to have 30 squared over 2 times 10. And what is 30 squared? Correct, it is 900 and 2 times 10 is equal to 20. From here, we can cancel 0 and 0 so that it will be easier for us to divide. And 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. So S is equal to 45 when A is equal to 10 and V is equal to 30. Now, let us have a short quiz. Make E as the subject from the formula V is equal to the square root of 2E over M in 10 seconds. That's right. The answer is E is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Now let us have another one. Make V as the subject. V squared minus U squared is equal to 2AS in 10 seconds. That's right. The answer is V is equal to plus and minus the square root of V squared plus 2AS. That's it for now. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!